Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon snowman. So to start off with our snowman, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a circle. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another circle right here. Then I'm going to draw a little white circle at the top of each one, and then just color it in. And just leave that little circle white. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down for the nose of the carrot. And then I'm going to come back like this. I want it to be skinny here and kind of wider over here. And then I'm just going to make a nice little curved line right here for the end of it. Then I'm just going to put a couple little curved lines on here for the end, or for some little details on the carrot. Now I want to give my snowman a mouth. Now you could always go with the traditional little pieces of coal, or you could just do a normal smiley face. I'm just going to do a normal one. So I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves like this. And then I'm going to give him a little bit of an open mouth. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then comes up like this. And then I'm going to put a little curved line in here for his tongue. Now, for the head of the snowman. So what I'm going to do is I want to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around like this, and it's going to go all the way around the snowman's head and come right back up to here. Now, I want him to have a top hat on. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out, and it's going to curve down like this above the top of the head. And then it's going to come back up to here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around, just like this, for the top of the hat. And then finally, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up here, and then another one that's going to go up here. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line on top of it to finish off the top of the hat. And then I want to add one more curved line here, just for kind of like that little strap or belt that goes around the hat. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little circle. And then I'm going to put two more on here, kind of like they're hiding behind it. And then I'm just going to make some little curved lines like this for some holly in his hat, just to give it a little bit more decoration, and put a little line down the center. I'll do another one here, just a couple little curved lines, and then some more coming down like this. Just to add a little detail. Now for the scarf. So the scarf is really easy. I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to make a little line that kind of curves down like this, and then another one over here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to come all the way over and up here. And I drew them out here so that it would make a little bit more detail in here. Now right here for the tail of the scarf, you just draw a line that goes down, over, and up. It should look like a rectangle. And then I like to put some little lines on the end of it. Now starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve down. It's going to go right to the scarf, jump over it, and then it's going to come out and then go right up to here for the middle part of the snowman's body. And then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a nice big one like this that just kind of goes down and then curves up for the bottom of the snowman. Then, right down here, I'm just going to draw kind of like a wavy line underneath it to make it look like he's sitting in some snow. And then finally for the arms. So starting here, I'm just going to make a little kind of wavy line that goes out. And then another one right here. I'm going to draw a little rectangle shape on the end of each one. And then I'm going to draw a little line that curves down, up and down like this, kind of like a hook. Do it on this one as well. And then starting at the top, just draw a line that curves down and comes all the way to here. And then I want to do the same thing on this one. Now for some details, I'm going to add a couple little circles on here just for some buttons. And then I'm going to make some wavy lines going down the scarf, just so we have some stripes. And then when I get to here, I'm going to make the stripes going the opposite direction. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon snowman. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.